Hi, this is the Oppo A98 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So open first the box. So let's check first the box. Here we got the USB Type-C cable and the charger, original one with all of the specifications. And also let's check this paper box. So we got here some paperwork like the safety guide, quick start guide, and with the warranty card inside. And also we got here the SIM eject tool. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.